Hello everyone, I'm just inside Dollarama and I noticed these games. I'm not familiar with them, but they are Dr. Seuss. They also have some other, I think, Star Wars. Is it like Uno? Disney. There's quite a few brand named items here. These are such beautiful ribbon. They're the fabric material. So really nice to repurpose and reuse, I think, on a gift. I know it's really popular to find the Christmas boxes, but these are just beautiful. And the quality, I haven't seen them anywhere else. They have shadow boxes here, some fabric wine bags, which is not common to find. And then they have your standard gift bags in the birthday aisle. So if you're looking to find, a nice bag, I love these. I think they're just so pretty. And they have a bigger style bag as well, but they're hard to find sometimes. They have the small, the medium, and large. These are great little packages as well of ribbon. So you've got the black, silver, blue, red. These little packets are newer to me. I just grabbed this one. I just love them because there's a great variety of shaker, and I'm having a hard time wondering if I should grab them. But you know what? They're going to sell so fast because they're fantastic value. These little soap bars in these boxes are absolutely adorable. I just don't know if they're good. They have Jason as well here, which is also a fantastic find. Lots of other brand names, Dove, Method. I think this is La Maze, right? The brand, or La Maz, was really pricey back in the day. They have Johnson & Johnson, lots of blankets, cute baby socks. Look at this little Fisher Price. It's the mini popper. I keep finding iDesign items, and I'm not sure why. Why do they keep popping up at Dollarama? Does anyone know? These are great for organizing paper as well. Some of the cutest mitts. I'm not sure if I love this inside-out stitch, but they are very soft. Very nice mittens. They also have like scrunchy, these scarves that are so heavy and they look like they were just knitted. Really well done. They have some thinner scarves as well. They're not super thin, but warm. They have these as well, like a thinner knit, these fleece, really plushy. Again, I'm gravitating towards this one. It's just beautiful. Oh, I love this one too. This one's a bit wider, I think, and bigger. Sharper image. I had spotted these a couple weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, and they sold so fast. I guess I got another shipment. Here, looking at all of these, this one is stunning. Look how beautiful it is. It looks like it was honestly handmade. Would be pretty as a tree skirt too. I know we're kind of over the tree skirts, but should I grab these? I think that these are going to be a staple at Dollarama because I've been spotting them everywhere. Aren't they the cutest? These jars are so pretty. There's a pretty good selection of Tupperware up along the top. If you need help, sometimes just ask someone because they are high up. So this is a Wilton item. Oh, the front packaging is actually cuter than the mold inside. So I just found this. It's a holiday recipe book, but it's like a binder / photo album. See how they did it? So I guess you could do this with any photo album, really. They have the gingerbread cut out, so it's just the middle pieces. Cute little boxes. This one's the little gingerbread top. I love the gable style boxes. I just don't know how large these are. This reminds me of the Ray Dunn. She had a little mug that said, "Oh snap." I know I don't need anything from the craft aisle, but sometimes you just need to look, right? You just need to see if there's something you need. Like, look at these cute. You can add some pieces to it, like embellishments. And use some little clips. They have some new wood stuff here. Lots of canvases. They have new home decor. Something I don't focus a lot on is the home decor, but look, they have a lamp here and they have these, which come out every so often. I feel like they come out in the spring, summer, and then disappear. What's this? Oh, wow. Paper lantern that lights up. They have this one here. Stranger Things, Batman. All right, back to the craft section. This is back. Oh my gosh, I have to buy some. This is also a great find. If you make wreaths and use the rope, you won't find a better value. Does anybody have reviews on the silver and gold glue sticks? These are so cute. I just love them because they're on the little, what are they called? This is pretty. Lace ribbon. I don't think it comes with a lot though. You're better off to get a roll, I think. This is new. Rocks in a container. I just find it so fascinating that rocks are sold in like bags and containers. And these you can buy dry and then put your own water and they'll just, rehydrate, I guess. I actually like using these little decor bags. I put them in the bottom of a glass vase and then I put another glass vase with a candle and it just adds a little character. Who's using these for wreath making these days? Do they work well? This is Crayola. Party animal poppers. Looks like a little craft kit. Lots of craft kits here and things to do your own little DIYs. They also have modeling clay if you want to play with it. They do have some that actually air dries as well, so if you wanted to paint it after. I keep wondering if I should get these. They sell and then they're gone. Hard to find. The foam's not super thick. Quick visit down the dishware. I just like to take a look at their bowls, their plates, see if there's anything that stands out. This reminds me so much of the blue trim of Portugal. I just love the style. They have a variety here, so like a little bit deeper bowl. Yeah. Different plates here. And lots of mugs as well. It's a pretty mug. It's actually really nice. They have some really pretty serving bowls as well if you ever need. They actually have a great selection. They usually range between $2.50 to, well, I'd say now $5, but most of them up to $4, around the $4 mark. This is new. If you are a gardener, this would probably come in handy outside in the summertime. You can quickly wash your veggies. I love these containers. I use this one in my craft room and it holds a bunch of my dies and stamps. Same with these. They're really handy. They're sturdy. They feel good. I use all of these bins. One good thing with Dollarama is they always have a wonderful selection of storage. Like they have lidded storage, clear, bins, colorful bit with pretty pulls. Oh, this is new. I haven't seen Febreze plug before. I haven't seen these molds. They're so cute. How freaking cute are these? This is made by Cuisinart. Now it is plastic. I got excited thinking it was metal. Has anyone tried this? Does it actually work? It's got a spray. So it's got the full functioning nozzle. And then I guess you kind of like clean the windows. Would it be good for the shower? I don't know. I think maybe the fabric wouldn't do very well in the shower. I use these on my cart. I hang them on my rolling cart and they work so well. This is so cute. It's a gingerbread man, isn't it? Well, like a hero gingerbread man. Just going to take a look at the books here. There's some really nice books. These are a newer find at Dollarama as of recently in the last few days, I'd say. Because, I mean, I'm in here all the time and they just came out at a couple locations I've been to. Or were just put on the shelf. They have so many things. Oh, these are little puppets made of felt. And I always like looking at stickers for different ideas, no matter what form they come in. Look what they've started putting out already. All the flowers for the spring summer line. And just on this side here, they have these gorgeous, beautiful bows. These mini brands are a huge hit right now at Dollarama because anywhere else you're going to pay between $12 to $15. And look, I don't know if they all come with the little Pringles. I don't think so. I think they come with 4 or 5 in them. These are the Squishmallows? Yes, these are Squishmallows. These are pricey too. They're really trendy as well. They have the little moving bunny. Lots of stuffies and stickers. This is a great value. The writing tablet, the boogie board. It's like $25. Well, it used to be $19 to $25 at Costco. This is great. Is this air clay like the typical Crayola air clay where it dries, air dries? And they have Play-Doh slime, pinata type stuff. They have so many. Oh, look at these. I love this. And it's soft. So cute. Wooden puzzles. I hadn't seen these before. They're beautiful. They look like items you would have easily purchased at Pier 1 back in the day. Pretty snowflake. There's some stuff I haven't seen. I'm going to go quick because I know we've seen the Christmas things over and over. And, I mean, here we are. It's Thursday, December the 21st. These are gorgeous. They're actually really nice. And if they come out of the plastic, I think they look even nicer. I don't think I've noticed these boxes with the gingerbread print. And they have 3 in them. Anyways, I am going to head to the checkout just as we're walking through here. I'll share with you what's, if you want to put a little chocolate with a gift card or something. They have, good options here at Dollarama. They even have after 8, which is a little bit pricier everywhere else. I wanted to share with you, so I purchased these at Dollarama, and my daughter and I have been working on, we opened one up, and we've been working on coloring for about 45 minutes, an hour, every night together, and honestly, it is so wonderful. We just chit-chat and we color, and I hope that this inspires you if you have any little ones, or adults too, just to sit around the table and mindlessly color and enjoy each other's company. It is truly really fun. Anyways, we make hot chocolate and we sit down And this is what we've been up to. I hope that you all have a wonderful holiday, whatever you may be celebrating. And until next time, everyone, thank you so very much for allowing me to share with you today. Bye for now.
I didn't cry when you and I said goodbye, but then you turned around and my tears hit the ground. I thought, damn, it's all so pretty, but oh so bittersweet, a bittersweet Christmas. I walked by all these windows, there was light, people laughing, drinking wine. I wished you were by my side, thinking, damn, it's all so pretty, but oh so bittersweet, bittersweet.